It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Now, I am back with my question of the day series, right? 21st class today. And today we will discuss a combo of questions regarding algebra, logarithms, quadratic equations, combinedly, right? What we call it as a mixture of topics, right? So the questions will be so interesting. Now, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma. And these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Now, many students were asking me what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when we choose iconic over plus. The first best advantage of iconic is you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program and you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. Now, how this one-to-one live mentorship program works and how this coach will work. Now, you can speak about your difficulties facing with your mentor and educator so that you will get the best solutions for that. And again, right, so this coach will be doing your personalized test analysis, the most important one, right? Most of the students complain me this, sir, we are not able to solve the questions even though after completing the entire syllabus we are not able to apply the things onto the questions there. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified and if they are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. Study booster sessions will be provided. Study planner will be given there. For each and every topic, you will be getting specialized notes and practice sets. One more advantage when you choose Iconic subscription, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes. So you can complete all your software courses, right? For core branch students, this will be a perfect backup for your career. Of course, whatever you get in Plus, you will get in Iconic also. These are the features of Plus and Iconic. How much you have to invest. If you are choosing Plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right? And you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728. For 12 months, the price will be 32,126 after discount, and this is for 18 months. And these prices are valid only up to June 8th, 11:59 p.m. right? From June 9th, sharp 12 noon, these are the prices that are going to be in force. So do try to beat the price hike and join the best quality courses before June 8th, 11:59 p.m. And we have introduced this 9-month subscription, those who are aiming at GATE 2023. So this 9 months is an optimized time for your preparation who are aiming at GATE 2023. So do try to subscribe. And yes, these are the prices for Iconic, right? For 12 months, it will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10. And this is for 18 and 24 months. But we heard your concerns. We have dropped our Iconic prices by 21%. Now, closely observe that 12-month subscription price right now it is 52,000. Previously it used to be 55,886. So get all the features of Iconic. Seize the price drop. Do try to subscribe to Iconic, right? And we are going to divide this GATE and ESE category into 4 separate goals from before June, from June 6th, right? Of course, June 7th. Now, closely observe there. Those who want to watch the content of all the 6 branches, do try to subscribe before June 6th. And yes, as I already said that you will be provided with notes prepared by topmost educators in India. Whomsoever subscribes to 1 year and above GATE Iconic subscriptions, do try to use this feature there. And yes, if you are expecting more discount, do try to write combat, which happens on June 5th, 11 a.m. sharp. Right, unlock the combat using with my code NLN10. Yes. So I will solve one question. Similar type of question you have to solve for me here, right? So let me go for the question there. Now this is the question. I will solve this question. Next question you have to solve for me, right? Observe the question carefully. Find E if log E comma log 3 by 2 and log E plus 10 are in arithmetic series, it seems. So see, there are 3 terms. If there are 3 terms, how can you prove those 3 terms are in arithmetic progression? Can anybody say in the comment section box? Your middlemost term is nothing but equal to first term plus last term divided by 2. Now see here, your first term, I'll write down this as A because these are given in order. Now this is given, I'll take down this as B and I'll take down this as C. Now you're asked to find out E. So A, B, C na. So B log 3 by 2 is equal to A log E plus log E plus 10. Of course, we go with normal logarithms, right? Binomial, I mean decimal expressions. You need not worry regarding that, right? Done. Now I'll take down this 2 here. Now 2 into log 3 by 2 is equal to, now can I write down the same expression? This is in the format of log m plus log n. Can I write down in the format of log m into n, e into e plus 10? Perfectly right. Now can I write down the same expression as log 3 by 2 whole square. Will you accept with me? Is equal to, can I write down this as log e square plus 10e. Yes or no? So I'll cancel down this log and log here. Hope so I'm clear. This is 9e square by 4 is equal to e square plus 10e. So finally what happened? This becomes 4e square plus 40e. So this 4e square will come onto the left hand side, which will become 5e square is equal to 40e. Now one e gets cancelled there. Now your e value is nothing but equal to 8. Yes or no? Hope you got my answer there perfectly. Same pattern. Let's solve one more question, right? So I have made the slides in a zigzag manner. We will solve all these questions of 1 second. Yes, this one. So I am expecting you guys to answer this question. Same arithmetic series pattern question only. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. We will solve one more type of same type of question. Any answer for this? No. Same pattern question, ma. 3 positive terms. It is not 0. It is not negative. X comma y and z with x is greater than y is greater than z, it seems, are such that 1 by x comma 1 by y and 1 by z are in arithmetic series, it seems. So see here, when x is greater than y is greater than z, then what will be this pattern there? Everybody know 1 by x will be less than 1 by y will be less than, am I right or wrong? When the numerator term is highest, when it is moved to denominator, that will be the lowest term. These are nothing but call your A, B, C. Hope so you got my point there. Now, if they are in arithmetic progression, can I write down like this? 1 by y is nothing but equal to 1 by x, A plus C, 1 by z divided by 2. So this must, as I already explained you in the previous slide, why it will be in arithmetic progression. Now you are asked to find out this value, log z plus log x minus 1. Let's reroute this. So 2 divided by y is nothing but equal to LCM will be xz and this will be x plus z. Am I right or wrong? So finally I'll get the equation 2xz is equal to xy plus xz, yz, sorry. So my aim is to make down this equation, my log z. So what I will do is, I will break this xz into two parts. I'll write down like this, xz plus I will take down this yz onto the left hand side, will become yz here. So automatically here xy will be left over. One xz which was on the left hand side, I will move to the right hand side, which will become minus xz. So closely observe there, if I take down z as common there, this will become x minus y. I can take x as common here, which will become y minus z. I will add logarithms on both sides, log here. So I'll write down heading so that you can understand this. So this is in the format of log m into n. Can I write down this as log z plus log x minus y is equal to log x plus log y minus z? I hope so. I am clear regarding this. LHS is nothing but your question asked. RHS is nothing but your answer. Hope so you got my point there. Very clear? Chalo, let's solve one more question here. I will show that question there. 1 second. I got many questions today to solve. Yes, similar type of question. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Similar type of question. I have solved 2 types of questions of same type. Now you have to solve me the remaining ones. Log base 4 3, log base 4 3 to the power of m minus 2 and log base 4 3 to the power of m minus 8 by 3 are in AP, it seems. Now if you closely observe there in the first question, you have formed a quadratic equation. Am I right or wrong? E square minus 10e, of course there is no product of roots, it might be 0 there. Similar case, and also you have got quadratic equation also. When 3 terms are in arithmetic progression, when you combine these terms, it will become a quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, how many roots will be there? 2 roots will be there, and your answer is 2. That you can answer in 10 seconds. So I have answered this question in 10 seconds. But what is the procedure to solve it? I'll explain that one also. What are those 2 roots? Sometimes the question will be changed like this. Ab bolo, what are those 2 roots? Ten seconds more, any answer? No one. Okay, in the same pattern, right? So see here, b value is nothing but equal to, I'll write down here, log base 4 3 to the power of m minus 2 is equal to log a is nothing but log base 4 3 plus log c, c value is nothing but log base 4 3 to the power of m minus 8 by 3 divided by 2. Am I right or wrong? So what I will do is, so as you know the steps there, so can I write down this directly here too? Can I write down this as like this, right? So see, observe the steps there. If you don't observe the steps, I cannot help it, right? So can I write down here to log a to the power of n is equal to log n log a. So I wrote like this. So finally, so see here, I'll write down like this. Now this part can be written as like this: log base 4 3 into 3 to the power of m minus 8 by 3. No, yaar. Arey yaar, how can one value will be possible, Preeti Kumari? Right? It's a quadratic equation, na? 3 to the power of m minus 2 whole square. So I will cancel those log on left and right hand side. This becomes what? Log 3 to the power of 2m plus 4 minus 2 into 2 into 4 into 3 to the power of m is equal to, this becomes 3 into 3 to the power of m minus 3 into minus 8 by 3 is nothing but equal to 8. And this becomes a quadratic equation. Closely observe the 3 to the power of 2m. So this 3 will come to this side, which will become minus 7 into 3 to the power of m. This 8 will come to this side, which will become 12. So for little bit of our convenience, what I will do is I'll take down 3 to the power of m as x. So this equation will become x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. So automatically, what are the roots, ma? What are the roots for this equation? X is equal to 4, comma x is equal to 3. How many possible solutions are there? 3. Now what are those? Right, let me write down here. In the place of x, I'll substitute 3 to the power of m. 3 to the power of m is equal to 4. Can I write down like this? Log base 3, 4 is equal to m. This is one value. And come to this one. Yes, next one, 3 to the power of m is equal to 3. So automatically log base 3 is nothing but equal to m. Automatically how many answers? This is nothing but called 1. So my m value is nothing but equal to 1. The two values there, and your option number B satisfies there. Yes, Preeti, very good, excellent. Done. Chal. Let's solve the next question here. We have solved this question now. Now let us come to this question. Now try this. Let's see how many can try this. Let's solve one by one, right? I will solve one type of question. So you have to solve the remaining parts, which is very easy here. Seconds more. Any answer for this? Now I will change one format, then you can easily understand this. Observe this part there, log I'll write down in writing this one. Can I write down the same thing as log base A divided by 2 log x? Log x square is nothing but 2 log x. Can I write down the same thing as 1 by 2 into log base x a? Now similarly, I'll write down all these equations like this. Now see, I'll continue the equation there. Log base x a plus 1 by 2 log base x a. Similarly, next one is 1 by 4 log base x a, so on up to infinity it seems here. Chalo. I can take down log base x a as common. So what will be the value? Now till now we have seen arithmetic progressions. Now we are going to another type of progression called geometric progression. If you closely observe there, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus so on 1 by 8 plus so on up to infinity it seems. Now the bracket is in the format of, did anybody observe this? The bracket is in the format of infinite geometric progression. Am I right or wrong? Infinite geometric progression. Now let us find out the sum of infinite terms in the geometric progression, which is nothing but equal to a into 1 minus r. So what is your a value? A value is nothing but equal to 1. R value is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2, finally the answer will be 2. So is this value called 2 log base x a? 2 log base x a. So, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. Yes, perfectly done. So S infinity is this 2 log base x a. And again, see, you can write down the same question as, so the question is MSQ in the examination. You can write down the same question as like this, log base x a square, or can I write down like this, log base root x, log base root x a? Will you accept with me? The same thing can be written in two formats, right? So your answer might be A, might be B also correct. अब देखो right, ध्यान से सुनो right, this will be the perfect way. Done. Hope so I am clear regarding this, right? Chalo, we'll solve the similar type of question, ma. Yes. Now I am expecting you guys to answer this question. What type of series is this? Logarithms and series based questions. So I will be coming up with all types of topics in this, where you will be so interested to solve all those questions perfectly. C. Very good, very good, Preeti. Very good. Let's see any other will answer this. Is it C or B? Any confusion regarding this? Chalo, we'll solve the question there again. So what I will do is I'll write down this first equation, then we can understand how we are framing it. Can I write down this one as like this? 1 by log 10 divided by log 2. So finally it becomes log 2 by log 10. So log 2 by log 10 can be written as log base 10 to, will you accept with me? Log base 10 to. Similarly, I can write down all these equations like this: log base 10 to plus log base 10 3 plus log base 10 4, so on up to n minus 1 terms it seems. So this is in the format of log m plus log n plus log p plus log q. So finally, can I write down this as log base 10 into 2 into 3 into 4 into so on up to n minus 1 terms. So this, see here, even though if you don't have 1 here, 1 is a common thing, right? So can I write down this as 1 into 2? So finally, can I write down this as n factorial? Is this nothing but called n factorial? So my answer will be C option exactly. Very good, excellent. Right, now how many can answer this, right? Two. So you have to take only 30 seconds to answer this question, but I'm giving you 2 minutes. Let's see how many can answer this. Log tan 1 degrees into log tan 2 degrees into so on up to log tan 60 degrees is the question asked. Is it D? Yes, perfectly. So I'll end the poll there. Now, so you can easily make up this. Everybody know tan 45 degrees is how much? Tan 45 is nothing but how much? Is it 1? Sin 45 by cos 45, is it 1? So finally, see here, log tan 45 degrees will be how much? In the place of this, I will be substituting 1 there. So automatically your answer will be 0. So see here, this entire multiple will become 0. And your option will be none of these. It's an easy question there. Now, one of the famous question in this logarithms, I have asked in multiple platforms regarding this question. I got very rare correct answers from the students there. Let's see how many can solve this question now. So we have completed arithmetic progression. Now we are into our geometric progression, and we will go into one more type series questions also after this question. In a geometric series with the terms t1 comma t2 and t3 and so on, it is found that log base k tm is equal to n and log base k tn is equal to m. Find the value of log base k tm plus n. That's the question asked. 3 seconds more. No answer for this. Now, first of all, how many of you know? Let us suppose take a term called TP. For sake of example. So, general term of an geometric progression is nothing but equal a into r to the power of p minus 1 is your general term of your geometric progression. So, I will use the same format. First, I will find out this one. Log base k into a into r to the power of m minus 1 is nothing but equal to n is equal to n. Now see, this is in the format of log mn. So I can write down like this: log base k a plus log r to the power of m minus 1 is equal to n. Now see this is in the format of log a to the power of n into log a. So see here, can I remove this one and I can write down here this m minus 1 into log is equal to n. See here, observe it. In the same case, I'll write down this one value also, log base k tn. So I can write down directly now, log base k a plus n minus 1 into log base k. Now this is k r is equal to m. So I will solve these two equations. We'll subtract this. Now what happened? This get cancels off, and I'll write down finally the value m minus 1 minus n plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Now finally this becomes m minus n into log base kr is equal to minus into m minus n. So finally log base kr value is nothing but equal to how much? Is it equal to minus 1? Now substitute this minus 1 in any of these equations. Now you will get log base a k value. Log base k a value will be how much? Let us suppose I have subtracted minus 1 here. Minus m plus 1. So all will go to right hand side. Minus m will become plus m plus n minus 1 will be the log base a k value there. Now I will write down this. I'll write down this value. Now you have to find out this one. Now, this is the question asked. Can I write down it directly? Log base k a plus m plus n minus 1 into log base kr is equal to the question asked. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. And you know this value, now this is nothing but equal to m plus n minus 1. And you know this value, this is nothing but called minus 1. Now this is not equal to, not minus 1. I have to eliminate this. This is the question asked, is equal to. Now see here, this and this get cancelled off, 1 minus 1, and your answer will become 0. And is there any option which satisfies 0? No. And your option number D is correct there. I hope so you got my point there. Geometric progression plus logarithms. See here, I am solving different types of questions to make sure that you understand this very easily. Perfectly done. We will solve this question little bit later, or will you solve right now? So let's solve this first one, then I'll come back to this one. Try this. So it is normal algebra, right? So I'm converting my questions into algebra, right? 3 seconds more. Five seconds more. Any answers? Now observe here. This is nothing but equal to. Can I write down this as x plus y whole square? So finally, can I write down my equation like this? Log base x square minus y square. This is x plus y whole square. See, interconvertibility of logarithms. Can I write down this as 2 into log x plus y divided by, so this is in the format of x square minus y square na, x plus y into x plus x minus y, m into n. Can I write down finally like this? Are you getting my point there? Log x plus y plus log x minus y, which will become log x plus y into x minus y, which is nothing but log x square minus y square. So can I write down the same equation like this? 2 divided by 2 divided by, so sorry, 1 plus log x minus y divided by log x plus y, which will become finally the up equation equally. Yes or no? Follow better clearly. Now is this nothing but called this one? This equation can be written like this: log x minus y divided by log x plus y is equal to 3. Now see here in this equation, can I substitute my 3, which will be equal to 2 by 4? 2 by 4 is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 1 by 2? Yes, it is 1 by 2. My option number B. Perfectly done. Right? Now, chalo. Let's go back to the previous question, ma. Let's see how many can solve this, right? As I said that, first I want to start with algebra. Will you make any algebraic equation for this? Or will it become an quadratic equation? I'm expecting you guys to solve this. Try this. Any answer for this? Five seconds more. Focus on solving, man. Automatically, right? Slight mistakes can be recovered easily. Now, observe there. This is the question. This is the question given there. I'll write down the question. Log base x. Yes, Maurya, it is D. A log base x 2 into, this is the question asked, log base x by 16 2 is equal to log base x, then the value of x is the question asked, log base x by 64 is into, good afternoon Maurya. Now everybody know, so can I write down, so see here, observe this case carefully. Can I write down this one as so see here, I'll write down like this. Can I write down this one as like this? Will you accept with me? Yes. Now, chalo, can I write down like this? Now, see, I'll change this one so that you can understand what's going on there. So I'll write down this one here. Can I write down this as 1 by log 2 divided by log x by 16? Yes or no? Log x by 16. So finally, can I write down this as log x by 16 divided by log 2? And I can write down this as log base 2. So converting it all into single bases, x by 16. Right. Let's come to the next one. Can I write down the same thing there? Log base 2x into log base 2 x by 16 is equal to x by 16 log base 2. Can I write down the same thing like this? X by 64. Yes, perfectly. So for our convenience, what I will do is I'll take down this value as p. Later on I'll add it, right? I'll take down this as p. So this becomes how much more? P into, now closely observe there, this is nothing but equal to log base 2x minus log 16. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Now see here, I'll write down this one. I'll write down like this. Log base 2x minus log base 2. 16 means 4 square. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept with me? Yes. So can I write down this as, I can write down like this. Observe this. So can I write down this as 2 to the power of 4, which becomes log base 2x minus 4 into log base 2. So this value is equal to 1 and this value is equal to p. So can I write down this as p into p minus 4 is equal to same. So this also can be written as like this, log base 2x minus 64 is nothing but equal to 6 into log base 2. So this is equal to 1 and this is equal to p. So finally this can be written as p minus 6. So finally what happens? You will get a quadratic equation, p square minus 4p. This p will come to this side minus p. This minus 6 will come to this side plus 6 is equal to 0. So p square minus 5p plus 6 is equal to 0. So by this, what will be the roots there? Root will be p is equal to 5 na 6 and 1. 6 comma p is equal to any answer for this, right? I can write down like this also, right? 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 2 1. Yes, perfectly right. So I can write down like this. P is equal to 3 comma p is equal to 2. Right, and see here. So by this, what can I write down? Log base 2x is equal to 3. So 2 cube is equal to x, or I can write down this one. Log base 2x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 square, and your answer can be 8, can be 4, and your option number D, 2 comma 3. Can we take? No, yeah, I cannot take 5 and 1. If I take 5 and 1, your multiplier will be, can I take on 6 and 1? No, here I cannot take 6 and 1. Minus 6 into 1 will be minus 5, but the answer cannot be plus 6, right? These are the only roots. These are the only roots, right? I hope so you got my point there. Done. Perfectly done. Yes. Let's do one more question. Yes. Last question, right? Today. I'll end with this. Try this one. L comma m and n are non-zero real numbers such that L square plus m square plus n square is equal to Lm plus mn plus nl. Then the value of log Lm by n square is nothing but equal to, is the question asked. Value of log this one, value of this one. Log Lm by n square value is the question asked. No answer for this. Observe here, L, M, N are non-zero real numbers. It is not zero, automatically positive or negative, no, but not zero. Such that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to Lm plus Mn plus Nl. Then the value of, you can take any values and substitute there. Then also you can find out the answer there. So what I will do is I'll go with the procedure right now. So you can take any values and substitute there. So can I take down, I will multiply this with 2 on LHS and I will multiply this with 2 on RHS also. Then I can convert my equation like this, L square plus M square minus 2Lm plus M square plus N square minus 2Mn plus n square plus L square minus 2nl is equal to 0. Can I write down like this? Now you closely observe there. I can write this is in the format of L minus m whole square. L minus m whole square plus m minus n whole square plus n minus L whole square is equal to 0. Now see here, this equation will satisfy in only one format. 0 is the answer. Yes. If only if L is equal to m is equal to n. You can take any of these values, substitute there. Log, I'll take down 1. 1 into 1 will be 1 divided by 1. So 1 by 1, your answer will be equal to 0. This is your answer. Perfectly right. Tomorrow I'll come up with one more some interesting question series. How are the questions today? I hope so. You like the questions there, right? So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription, right? So you're expecting my guidance, right? And yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. And the price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount. After discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, these prices are valid only up to June 8th, 11:59 p.m. Thereon we will be increasing the prices, right? So, and we have introduced this 9-month subscription, right? Do try to subscribe those who are aiming at GATE 2023, and this will be the best optimum time for your preparation. So see here, as I said there, these prices are valid only up to June 8th, 11:59 p.m. June 9th, exact 12 sharp. These are the prices there. And yes, we have added this community feature for Android, right? So I will be forwarding my notes, interactions with you, right? So that you can speak with me, you can ask all your doubts, right? Do try to use this feature. And yes, we are going to divide this GATE and ESE category into 4 separate goals. So if you want to watch the content of all the branches, do try to subscribe before 6th June. And these are the prices for iconic, right? So for 12 months, it is 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. I already said that we have dropped our iconic prices by 21%. You can subscribe with 52,000 only right now. And those who are aiming at test series only, right, this GATE Lite subscription will be damn helpful for you. The best test available right now on in the market. And yes, if you have any doubt, you need not wait for anyone's help, right? Just click the picture of that. Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. Just click the picture of that, crop it and upload in doubts and solutions. Select your preferred language, get your video solution within minutes. You can ask 3 doubts at a time. And do try to join my special classes, right, where I'm dealing campus placement strategy sessions, right? I have done for more than 110 colleges. My strategies will be helpful to crack premium placements very, very easily. Do try to join them and join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding the classes of all educators and courses, so that you can be up to date. And please do try to hit the like button and share my classes if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF and hit the bell icon. Thank you, and let's meet tomorrow, same time. Right? Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.